Tour the Cobra Motorcycles Factory in Hillsdale, Michigan with us. Cobra is the go-to motocross bike for the youth racers of today. As the sign says, champions start here. We love a good Michigan business, and Cobra is the epitome of that. They make as many parts as possible in-house. Almost anything that is not made directly by Cobra is locally sourced from other Michigan companies. It was great for the kids to see where the sausage is made, so that they can better understand the beauty behind how their machines are made. We truly loved our time at the Cobra factory and hope to be back someday for some signatures to be Cobra Elite riders. Until then, time to get back to practice. Thanks again for having us, Cobra.